SONN is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend, up 200%. This is Monday, the 14th of July, pre market session. The company has announced a definitive agreement for a business combination with Rorschach I LLC to create Hyperliquid Securities Inc, which will focus on building a substantial reserve of HYPE tokens from the Hyperliquid Layer-1 blockchain. This presents a dramatic pivot from the company's traditional biotechnology focus for crypto asset treasury management. The $888 million valuation attached to this deal has caught significant market attention, particularly given SONN's relatively small market capitalization as a biotechnology company. This transformation follows a broader trend of companies adopting crypto asset treasury strategies, though most have focused on Bitcoin rather than alternative tokens like Hype. The live Hyperliquid price today is $48 or thereabout, with a 24-hour trading volume of $404 million approximately. The Hype token has shown considerable volatility, which adds both opportunity and risk to SONN's strategy. Hyperliquid operates as a layer 1 blockchain focused on decentralized finance applications, making it a more speculative choice compared to established crypto assets like Bitcoin that other companies have adopted for treasury purposes. The announcement has created polarized reactions in the investment community. Supporters view this as positioning SONN to capitalize on the growing institutional adoption of crypto assets, particularly as companies seek alternatives to traditional cash holdings during periods of monetary expansion. The substantial trading volume in HYPE tokens suggests there's significant market interest in the underlying asset. However, critics raise concerns. Dilution risks. The business combination structure typically involves issuing new shares, which could dilute existing shareholders. Um, the specifics of how the $888 million valuation translates to share issuance will be crucial for both for current SONN investors. Volatility exposure. Unlike Bitcoin, which has gained some institutional acceptance, Hype is a newer altcoin with a limited track record. This exposes the company to potentially extreme price swings that could dramatically impact the treasury's value. Crypto asset treasury strategies face evolving regulatory landscapes, and companies holding significant altcoin positions may face additional scrutiny or compliance requirements. Technical trading factors. SONN's small float amplifies price movements in both directions. When a stock with limited shares outstanding receives significant attention, it can experience dramatic price swings due to supply and demand imbalances. This creates both opportunity for substantial gains and risk of sharp declines. The timing of this announcement coincides with broader market interest in crypto asset integration by traditional companies, but it also comes during a period when many altcoins have experienced a significant volatility. Comparative analysis. While companies like MicroStrategy have successfully implemented Bitcoin treasury strategies, SONN's focus on HYPE tokens represents a more aggressive approach. The comparison to other crypto runners reflects investor attempts to identify the next company to benefit from crypto asset adoption though the success of such strategies have been mixed and highly dependent on both execution and market conditions. The market's reaction will likely depend on how effectively the company can communicate its strategy, the specific terms of the business combination, and a broader cryptocurrency market sentiment in the coming weeks. Yeah. So that's what we're looking at right now. Intraday high of 30.33. That's almost a stock is currently trading at almost, if you like, a 50% discount to this intraday high. Okay, let's see what's going on. This is the daily chart. It's not actually reflecting what's going on now, but did it actually, it didn't, okay, well, we'll have an extrapolation to the upside, but I have to point out that it didn't predict that this was going to happen today. You can see that it's for today's session, it has a dip. We didn't project that it's going to do print this sort of levels, and moreover, it was actually extrapolating. Well, it doesn't matter for today. It didn't extrapolate. It wasn't extrapolating this spike we're looking at right now. So, okay, let's just ignore this chart. It's not active at the moment. Let's just face the 4-hour chart. It's where the action is, where things have since changed. Okay, yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. The extrapolation of its three period moving averages that strength will remain in place. It's indicating that it's going to hold some of the gains in this has run up in this session up till midday in today's trading session, and then after that we are going to see a sharp decline going all the way down to around 6.97 by Thursday, the 17th of July. And then after that, we might see a consolidation thereafter. Those are just extrapolations. No guarantee that that will be the case. We have down projection of 13.16, just a slight discount, a decent discount from the current levels of 15.15. We can equally have a look at the market grid. Let's see what the market grid is going to show us for the stock. Yeah, okay. Market grid is actually has even higher prices. We have prices going all the way towards 27.06, and also if you include this intraday high of 30.33, then you are looking at even higher prices. So the prices are from the least. We have 9.24, 11.34, 13.69. 16.05, 20.25, 22.61, 24.96, 27.06. So the market grid expanded to accommodate the volatility expansion that is prevailing at the Boston stand right now, given this 30.33 intraday high. On this chart, it didn't get as high as that, but the algos are sensing that yeah, some expansion is necessary and projecting that we can retest possibly the highs of this intraday high of 30.33, but there's no guarantee that that will be the case. Extrapolations of a sharp decline later on in this session also not guaranteed to play out. So that's what's going on, and this market grid values also serve as upper projections and also downward projections. So we have them from 9.24 all the way towards 30.33, going by what we have here on thing called Swim. So see what you make of SONN, and thank you very much for watching this video.